effect from Wednesday evening through late Wednesday night. The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a flash flood watch for portions of northeast New Jersey and southeast New York, including the following areas: in northeast New Jersey, eastern Bergen, eastern Essex, eastern Passaic, eastern Union, Hudson, western Bergen, western Essex, western Passaic, and western Union. In southeast New York, Bronx, Brooklyn, New York, Manhattan, northern Queens, northern Westchester, Orange, Staten Island, Rockland, southern Queens, and southern Westchester. From Wednesday evening through late Wednesday night, a strong cold front will be accompanied by a band of heavy showers and isolated thunderstorms Wednesday night. Widespread rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches and local amounts up to 3 inches are expected, with maximum rainfall rates close to an inch per hour with the heaviest showers. These rainfall amounts could cause flash urban and poor drainage flooding, and flooding of fast-responding small streams. Main stem rivers should remain within their banks. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.
Here's the typed in.
Okay, so flash flood watch just issued. That is not. Alright. Here's a story. Here's the story.
At the Battery, high tide is at 9:46 p.m. Tuesday and 9:44 a.m. Wednesday. Low tide is at 3:56 p.m.
Okay. Here's the story with this. Alright, so I went after school for extra help. I missed one flash flood watch. I come home, and I come home just in the nick of time to catch this one. So, yeah. Oh crap, I better get to, What if these guys are going to EAS it? One second.